This truck has been just beaten to hell, completely pounded. The window in the sleeper is now broken out. Oh my God. It is just beat. The International, the side has been beat to shit. It looks like the windows survived. Just the rest of the truck is screwed up. I'm gonna have to come back out when it's dry, see what's mud and what's damaged. I think all the windows survived on this one. It looks like most of it is just beat. This is Kale's truck. This Freightliner.
Bug screen.
The bug screen is destroyed and gone.
That was new.
His new windshield is completely gone.
Look at the headlights.
The headlights, all the framing around the headlights, everything is mashed out. His new bug screen is on the ground.
This was totally clean.
Look
at the mud that it splashed when it hit this.
Look at the rest of these. The front of the dump truck windshield is almost completely gone. This is what happened to his windshield. Obviously, he has not been driving it around this way. I gotta go look at Lester's truck. Oh, it took out all of your cab lights.
Look at the roof.
Your roof is destroyed.
You can't sell that.
It took out the window of your tractor. The tractor window is gone.
Mirror's back.
Lester's truck, the entire side of it is nothing but ping holes. His mirror is broken. His backup light's broken.
All of the stuff on his hood.
His hood is destroyed.
What is that? What's that plastic? This is his horns.
Yeah, his horns
You can't sell that.
completely came off. Fenders are destroyed. Lights are destroyed. Bug deflector is gone. All of his fenders are destroyed. His window's broken.
Look at that horn. Even the stacks got dents in them. There's no reason to wash this.
There's more broken glass there. That's from this mirror.
Oh yeah. So look at the mirror.
There's the glass from that sitting on the step. Holy crap. I don't even know what to do. I don't think we have anything that's not broken.